What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. I know it's been a while, but today we're going on a Volkswagen ID.4 road trip. We're heading out from Charlotte, North Carolina, and we're heading to Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, and back. Let's hop in the car, we'll run some errands, grab some food, we'll hit the road, and I'll tell you why. Like I said, we're taking off from Charlotte, North Carolina. We're heading to Hilton Head Island. Let me show you guys our first stop. We got to run to REI for some returns. Then I got to grab some lunch. I'm thinking Jimmy John's, but we shall see. And then we're going to be heading straight through. I might stop in Columbia to charge. Most likely I'll be able to make it all the way down to Walterboro, South Carolina, along the I-95 corridor, and just be able to charge probably from around 20% all the way up to around 80%. I am starting with 100% charge this morning. So, or actually this afternoon. It's 12:30, hoping to get there around 5-6 o'clock. Done at REI and now headed to Jimmy John's. Only a few minutes away, but I placed my order on the app ahead of time, so that way it's ready as soon as I walk in and I don't even have to talk to a human. Enjoyed some Jimmy John's, and now we're headed down to Hilton Head Island. I'm going to be staying at the Holiday Inn Express overnight. This is about 249 miles, and I believe we're at probably 95% charge right now, so that is pushing it a bit. So as a result, we're actually going to be going to the Walterboro Electrify America. Let's see if it shows my recents here. All right, so here we have the Walterboro, South Carolina Electrify America station. So we're going to be heading down there and charging 178 miles. The car is currently projecting 226 miles of range, and let's see what our charge level is at. 96%, so that should be an easy drive. And here, since charge, we've driven 11 miles so far. Let's hit the road. Decided to make a little pit stop here in St. George, South Carolina. Behind us we have a 12-stall Supercharger. Kind of a cool setup, but pretty silly that they have the bollards in the middle with the signs, being that now you can't pull through, even though if they didn't have those, you could pull through and it'd be a lot better for trailers and stuff. Let me show you guys the cabinets over here as well. So like you can see over there, this is a 12-stall V3 Supercharger. So in theory, 250 kilowatt per post. 1, 2, 3, so 4 go from each. 1000 kVA transformer. Got the switch gear over here. And it's at a food line with US Postal Service, bottle shop, so it must be a liquor store or something, and AutoZone, right off the interstate. And we just arrived to the Electrify America station, rolled in with 5%, 8 miles remaining. And there are a ton of bugs all over the stations here. Not the most pleasant thing. And just like that, we're charged up to 96%. Ran into Walmart, grabbed some M&Ms and some ginger ale because I like them. Got some work done, and it's showing 209 miles as the estimate to get, or on this 96% charge based on the previous driving. And let's pull up CarPlay here and see how far. There's the hotel I'm staying at. Looks like 72 miles, so I'll probably get there like 65, 75%, somewhere in there. Let's get on the road. Made a stop at the 24 kilowatt DC fast charger that I'm helping with tomorrow. Now I'm headed to the hotel, the Holiday Inn Express. Gonna get checked in. There should be a level 2 charger quite nearby. Gonna plug in there, grab some dinner, and call it a night. Just arrived to the hotel room, got checked in. Let me show you guys. It's actually surprisingly pretty nice. So here we have it. I already got settled in a little bit. Pretty nice little sink area, bed, decent view out here. Let's see if this actually opens. Hopefully it does. Just like that. Certainly not bad. Good morning from Hilton Head Island. Just waiting for the elevator here. Woke up fairly early. It is 7:40 in the morning. Headed down to go grab some breakfast from the hotel. Maybe grab some Starbucks, like a refresher or something. And then I'm gonna head over to on-site to get the DC fast charger set up. And then we'll head home. Grabbed a quick cinnamon roll at the hotel breakfast. Now I'm gonna try and walk down to the beach. Figure if I'm on an island at the ocean, I should probably at least go and try and see the beach. So I think it's only like maybe half a mile walk, if that. Got my Starbucks and my car is charging here just for a minute. I just wanted to make sure it worked. But it's a 40 amp Leviton unit because all new construction in the town of Hilton Head requires electric car charging. Well, it's time to head back to Charlotte. We now have a functioning DC fast charger in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. It's a 24 kilowatt ABB wall box here. Uses CCS or CHAdeMO, depending on what kind of car you have. And it's now the fastest non-Tesla charging station in all of Hilton Head Island. So, time to head home. I'm at 83% after charging here for a bit, but it's at Circle K. Think I'll be able to make it all the way to Columbia. That's about 160 miles. We might need to stop in Walterboro. That's about 70 miles or so, if the delta between miles needed to travel and estimated range shrinks. So let's get going. It is 1:36 p.m. right now. When we made it to Columbia, South Carolina, there was a fair bit of traffic coming into town, but it worked out fairly well for efficiency's sake. Ended up rolling in with 5% charge, so I'd say that's pretty much perfect. Let me show you the charging speeds. And with the super consistent Volkswagen ID.4, we're getting exactly as expected. 128 kilowatts on 125 to the pack, about 3 for auxiliary. You can see we pulled in with 5% and we're now up to 10% after 2 minutes. And like you guys have seen before, this is a 4-stall installation Signet unit, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got the cabinets and stuff behind this fence. And it's, as usual, at a Walmart. And here we also have efficiency from this drive. 176 miles since I charged, and I left at about, I think, 83% or something like that. 3 miles per kilowatt hour, so about 333 watt hour per mile. Not too bad. Well, I ended up charging all the way up to 100%. I got caught up doing some work. Car is estimating 226 miles estimated range, and looks like we have 90 miles to go. Let me just show you guys the route. So there we have it. We're down here in Columbia. We're gonna go up to home near Lake Wiley, and there's a Bolt that showed up while I was charging, so let's get the show on the road. And we made it home back to Charlotte. Let me show you some stats and we'll bid you guys adieu. And here we have, since this morning, 266 miles. 2.9 miles per kilowatt hour. And on this leg, since we charged in Colombia, 90 miles, 2.7 miles per kilowatt hour. And we're now up to about 12,000 miles. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We'll see you guys next time.